Hello, this is Michael Resigno with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. I am at 14722 and 14724 Strathern. Two great homes on one lot that have been completely remodeled. Right here is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, about 1,000 square foot home. And over here is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,300 square foot home. Come with me and look at the inside a little bit. Come on in, don't be shy. So this is great, 2 homes on one lot. It's great for investors, multi-generational families, extended families, families where the parents don't want to live in the same house with their children, but they want to be close by it. This is perfect. So both houses have been remodeled inside and out, and this is a great living room, dining room area, but let's go look at the kitchen. It's really cool. Hello. Okay, now I'm in the kitchen, and as you can see, there's plenty of counter space, lots of cabinets, stove, great sink. Everything's been redone in both houses, and they're very similar. Upgraded flooring, brand new air conditioning, brand new roofs. There's been so much work done to here. All you have to do is move in. So like I said, it's great for an investor, multi-generational family, extended family, you name it. We'll be here this Sunday holding an open house, March 29th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. and hope to see you then. Oh, by the way, we're only asking $1,195,000. So come on down, check it out, and we'll be here to see you. Oh, hey, by the way, it's Michael Resigno again, and if you can't make it to the open house, shoot me a text, call me at 661-212-3785 for a private showing. And if you come to the open house, that's fantastic. It'll be this Sunday from 12 to 3. This is Michael Resigno signing off.